picture here. This is an example of which I created for 500 VMs, an organization with 500 VMs. What was the cost of running this environment before the acquisition, and what is the cost, approximate cost, to run the same environment after the acquisition? Before acquisition, the annual total cost for running this 500 VMs, including your hardware, your licensing, support contracts in place, data center costs, maybe full-time employees, all of it. As an example, it ended up somewhere around $1.3 million a year. Whereas after the acquisition, after the SKUs were reduced for licensing, and then new SKUs were introduced, limited number of SKUs by Broadcom. So, yep, the prices have gone up to 1.875 million, which is around 44% increase. That's a lot. I mean, that's a lot of money which changed suddenly. All of a sudden, this is extra burden on a lot of organizations. Okay, now, annual increase is around 575K. 4-year impact is around 2.3 million additional cost. Okay, because of reduced SKU counts. A pack means different bundles. Yeah, there are a lot of features which you don't use, but you ended up paying for it. Means customers ended up paying for it. Like in this example, around 150K for different features which they don't even use. Okay, so that's a lot of money which is suddenly the responsibility of the organization now, okay, which they have to come up with. So it's a very tight situation, I would say. When you think about cloud migration alternative, same thing can translate into a $1.2 to $1.4 million per year, which is a good amount of savings.